Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your assets in Canvas so you can paint immediately. Import your low and high poly models, then bake maps like normal and ambient occlusion. This is crucial because it maps 3D detail into 2D textures. Once done, create a new project and assign your 2048 or 4096 texture set. Make sure to set bit depth and padding. Now create material layers, pick a base fill for albedo, and block in large color and value areas to guide later detailing. Now you focus on the middle work, layering and projection. You build a non-destructive stack, a fill base, then localized layers for dirt, edge wear, and decals, and use masks to control where each applies. Use projection or stencils to stamp logos and sharp patterns. Make sure to paint across UV seams with clone or projection to avoid visible breaks. Use curvature, ambient occlusion, and curvature blend masks to automatically drive wear and grime, which saves time and adds realism. Finish by refining and exporting. You check seams and textile density, tweak roughness and metallic values, and then bake final maps at full resolution. Export albedo, normal, roughness, metallic, and ambient occlusion. Once exported, test the textures in your target renderer or game engine and iterate on values like normal strength or roughness. If you see seams or odd edges, stop and rebake with increased padding or correct UV islands. This single troubleshooting step fixes most final output problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.